If your iPhone keeps showing someone you don't want in suggested share row, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to remove them. First, open the app where you usually share things like photos. Pick any photos, then tap the share button. Now you'll see a row of suggested people at the top. Press and hold on the person you wanna hide. When the menu pops up, tap suggest list. After you tap it, the person will be removed from your suggested list and you will start seeing that person less. Now if you don't want that suggested share row at all, you can turn the whole thing off. To do this, go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on Siri and search. On newer iPhones, this might be called Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now find the option that says show when sharing and turn it off. After turning it off, the suggested share list won't appear anymore when you tap on share. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and follow for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next one.